A very good afternoon to all of you. My colleague Jobin and I, Akriti, welcome you all to the 9th Annual Vivekanand Memorial Debate Competition. We here at ILM believe in traditions that inspire, motivate and arouse in us the quest for awareness and wisdom. Our aim is to encourage young minds to challenge themselves and explore outside their boundaries. With this thought, I would like to introduce our esteemed judges. Our panel of jury today consists of Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Honorable Justice Pradeep Nandrajog, Professor Sudhir K. Jain, and Mr. Javed Syed. Our first judge is Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna. He has studied law at Campus Law Center, Delhi University, and was enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council of Delhi in 1983. He has practiced mainly in Delhi High Court on tax, commercial, civil, arbitration and writ jurisdiction. He was also appointed as Standing Counsel for Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi at the Delhi High Court in 2004. He was elevated as an additional judge of Delhi High Court in 2005 and a permanent judge in 2006. Now I request President Sansad Gunjan Jain to welcome him. We are honored to have him, sir. The next member of our panel is Honorable Justice Pradeep Nandrajog. He has an LLB degree from Campus Law Center, University of Delhi. He enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Delhi in 1981. He practiced independently since 1983 on the original and appellate side of Delhi High Court. He specializes in civil, commercial and arbitration matters. He was elevated to the bench of Delhi High Court as an additional judge in 2002. Now I request Gunjan Jain to welcome him. It is a pleasure to have him with us, sir. The next member of our jury is Professor Sudhir K. Jain, who recently joined IIT Gandhinagar as its director. Professor Jain serves on the board of directors of the International Association for Earthquake Engineering and is currently its executive vice president. He is on the board of directors of the World Seismic Safety Initiative, an organization that promotes earthquake risk reduction in developing countries. Professor Jain was elected a fellow of the Indian Academy of Engineering in 2003. I now request Gunjan to welcome him. A warm welcome to you, sir.
I am professor in the Department of Management, which is IIT Delhi, and my namesake from IIT campus has gone at director. I am IIT Ahmedabad.
All right, sir. I apologize.
Global warming actually.
And the last member of the jury is Mr. Javed Syed, who is the executive editor of the Economic Times in Delhi. Prior to this assignment, he was the national corporate editor of ET and ET Now, the sister channel of the paper. Mr. Javed tracks corporate developments closely with special focus on corporate governance and mergers and acquisition. I request Gunjan to welcome him. We are honored to have you, sir.
Taking you through the VMD journey, there are 3 rounds in this debate. The first preliminary round was contested by 19 teams on the motion, Commonwealth Games 2010 and Unaffordable Luxury. From them, 8 teams moved to the semi-finals contesting on the motion, Effective Governance Requires Creation of Smaller States in India. After this tough war words, we have now, before you, the 4 finalists of the 9th Annual Vivekanand Memorial Debate fighting for the prestigious title. A polite applause for all our finalists. I now request all the teams to introduce themselves and request the teams not to disclose the names of their institutes to avoid being disqualified. Starting from the left side, I will request Team A to